Why do some people attract wealth while others struggle? It's not luck or family. It's a set of habits and a mindset anyone can learn. Wealth is a process, built decision by decision, through small, consistent actions. These are simple principles, not Wall Street secrets, that can transform your financial life. In this video, we'll reveal the 5 habits that set millionaires apart, and how you can start using them today. Ready to take control of your financial future? Let's dive in. The cornerstone of wealth accumulation isn't just about strategies or investments. It begins with a fundamental shift in perspective. The first habit, and perhaps the most crucial, is cultivating the millionaire mindset. It's about reprogramming your subconscious beliefs about money, success, and your own potential. This mindset is a shift from scarcity to abundance. It's about believing that there are limitless opportunities available to you, rather than feeling trapped by limitations. It's recognizing that wealth isn't a finite pie, but something that can be created and expanded. Most people, unfortunately, operate from a place of scarcity. They see limited opportunities, a zero-sum game where someone else's gain is their loss, and they play defense, focusing on protecting what they have, rather than expanding their horizons. They are often paralyzed by fear of failure and risk aversion. Millionaires, on the other hand, see endless possibilities and play to win. They are proactive, not reactive. They embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and innovation. They understand that risk is inherent in any venture, but they manage it intelligently and aren't afraid to take calculated leaps. They treat setbacks as lessons, not failures, viewing them as valuable feedback that helps them refine their approach and move forward with greater wisdom. They understand that failure is a stepping stone to success, not a dead end, and they always look for the next opportunity, constantly scanning the horizon for new ventures, partnerships, and ways to create value. They are always learning, growing, and adapting to the ever-changing landscape of the business world. This is about having a growth mindset, a concept popularized by Carol Dweck, believing you can develop skills and intelligence through effort and dedication. It's the understanding that your abilities are not fixed, but rather malleable and capable of expanding with consistent learning and practice. Start by changing your self-talk. Become aware of the negative thoughts and limiting beliefs that are holding you back. Instead of, "I can't afford it," a statement that reinforces limitation, ask, "How can I afford it?" This simple question opens your mind to possibilities and forces you to think creatively about solutions. Surround yourself with people and content that reinforce abundance and growth. Seek out mentors, join communities of like-minded individuals, and consume information that inspires and empowers you. This mental shift is the foundation for building wealth. It's the bedrock upon which all your financial success will be built. Without it, even the best strategies will crumble. Upgrade your mindset, and you upgrade your financial future. It's a direct correlation. By cultivating a millionaire mindset, you unlock your potential for wealth and create a life of abundance and fulfillment. Millionaires relentlessly invest in themselves, their knowledge, skills, and mindset. They know their mind is their greatest asset, outlasting any market or business. They read, learn, and seek new skills daily, turning downtime into growth time. Even 30 minutes a day learning something new can change your trajectory. Ask yourself, what skill could double your income in 5 years? Start learning it now. Lifelong learning pays the highest dividends. Your future self will thank you. Millionaires understand a fundamental truth about wealth creation. It's not just about the hours you put in, but how you leverage those hours to build lasting financial security. They don't just trade time for money, a common trap that keeps many people stuck in a cycle of paycheck to paycheck living. They recognize that true wealth comes from creating systems and assets that generate income even when they're not actively working. This is the cornerstone of their financial strategy. They build passive income streams. These streams are the lifeblood of their financial independence, providing a steady flow of revenue that isn't directly tied to their immediate labor. Think of it as planting seeds that grow into trees, bearing fruit for years to come. Passive income means earning while you sleep, while you're on vacation, or while you're pursuing other passions. It's about creating a financial ecosystem that works for you, rather than you constantly working for it. Imagine waking up each morning knowing that money is being generated regardless of whether you're actively involved at that moment. This is achieved through investments or businesses that run without you requiring constant supervision. These are systems designed to operate efficiently, generating revenue with minimal direct input. It's about building assets that appreciate in value and produce income over time. Real estate, Whether it's rental properties providing monthly cash flow, or investments in real estate investment trusts, REITs, can be a powerful source of passive income. Dividend stocks, which pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders, offer another avenue for generating passive income from the stock market. Digital products such as online courses, ebooks, or software can be created once and sold repeatedly, generating income with minimal ongoing effort. These are money trees that keep giving, providing a continuous stream of income that can significantly enhance your financial well-being. They represent the power of leveraging your resources to create lasting wealth. Most people have one income source. Relying solely on a single paycheck can leave you vulnerable to financial instability. Millionaires build many, diversifying their income streams to create a more resilient and prosperous financial future. Start by brainstorming ways to earn beyond your paycheck. Explore your skills, interests, and resources to identify potential passive income opportunities. Plant your first seed, nurture it, invest time and effort into developing your initial passive income stream, and grow more streams over time, gradually building a portfolio of passive income sources that provide financial security and freedom. Passive income is the key to financial freedom, unlocking the potential to live life on your own terms, without being constrained by the need to constantly trade time for money. Don't just work for money. That's a limited and often exhausting approach to building wealth. Make money work for you, creating a system where your assets generate income, allowing you to build wealth and achieve financial independence. Millionaires aren't reckless, they take calculated risks. Playing it too safe is risky. Inflation erodes savings, and missed opportunities cost more. They research, prepare, and act on informed decisions, not blind bets. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Start small, invest a little, learn a new strategy, or try a side hustle. Each smart risk builds your confidence and skill. The goal isn't to avoid risk, but to make it work for you. Smart risks lead to big rewards. simply seek out mentors who will challenge you, push you beyond your comfort zone, and guide you on your path to growth. Mentors provide invaluable wisdom, perspective, and accountability, because together, by intentionally building a strong, supportive, and ambitious network, you'll create an unstoppable wealth-building ecosystem that propels you towards your biggest dreams. These 5 habits can transform your financial future, if you act. Pick one habit and commit to it this week, whether it's learning, networking, or starting a passive income stream. Small, consistent actions create unstoppable momentum. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Which habit will you start today? Let's build our financial futures together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.